Greetings from Right Group. I'm Avijeet, proprietor of Right Group, your real estate consultant and solution provider. We provide complete real estate solutions. We cater to purchase and sale requirements of primary and secondary real estate all over Kolkata, all over West Bengal, all over India, and abroad. We deal with developer properties too, and we also deal with resale properties across all categories. We deal with all types of real estate purchase, sale, rental properties, flats, buildings, land, warehouse, joint venture, and all other types of real estate properties. We provide properties all over Kolkata, all over West Bengal, across India, and abroad. You can buy, you can sell, you can invest, and you can rent in or rent out. Your real estate solution provider has something in store for all of you. With an experience of 24 plus years in banking and real estate, we provide services in a professional and structured manner. Do let us know how we can help you. Do recommend us to anyone who is looking for buying or selling of properties. Our contact details are 98300 and I repeat 98300 or you can reach us at 99033 52930. Thank you.